We learned about India. India has a population of 1.25 billion in the year 2013 with an annual growth rate of 1.2%. So let's go ahead and write a formula for this. Change my color of my pen. P of t equals P01 plus r to the t power. Class, what is our initial? $1.25. What is our rate? Partner A, tell partner B a decimal.
That's still not even one. I know. 1 and 1 4.
Ian. Decimal. How do you change 1.2% into a decimal? Your answer? Talk to your partner. Multiply by 100 or divide by 100?
Divide.
Raise your hand, multiply. Raise your hand, divide. You're going the other way, right? 0.0012. Guys, if you don't understand decimals and percents, don't worry. Just take some student loans out and then tell me how it goes in 5 years. So. Oh, yeah.
No.
That's right. Look, sorry.
Just like the student loans.
1, 2. We're okay?
Yeah.
So, 1.012 to the t power. So the population will be a function of time. Now, time, they're asking me for the time in 2031. Class, do you think I should put in 2031? Oh. Yes. Subtracted by what number? Because if you think about, I don't know, Mr. Seg will be happy. 2013 in my timeline is starting at T0. This is where I want to know it from, right? And then how much is that? How much? 18. So basically we want to know 18 years after 2013. So then we just put in 18 into our formula. So my formula is going to be population of 18 years equals 1.25 times 1.012 to the 18th power. Everyone say calculator ready equation. We're going to be doing more problems in the calculator, and I don't want to see just answers. I actually don't want you to touch the calculator to the very end. I want to see this. Let's put in our calculators.
My calculator is good.
So in 18 years, the population is 1.55 billion. So in this problem, our rate we turned in from a percentage to a decimal. I added it to 1 because this is actually a growth, right? It tells us growth rate, and I need to know that number is greater than 1. We figured out t from time by subtracting as our starting point and our end point. Calculate ready equation, and I get approximately 1.55 billion people in the year 2031, or 18 years after 2000.